Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Steam inventory not showing on taskbar hero. So if we press Steam trade ship and then inventory, as you can see here, taskbar hero inventory do not show. So what you need to do here is to close trade ship, then press on the gear icon here, and then you go to others and you will see Steam inventory issue resolved. Press on that, press confirm, then go back on trade ship, go to inventory, and now it should show if we put some items. So let's quickly put some items. Leather. Wait for a few seconds. It should be available. As you can see here, now I put the inventory. And now, as you can see here, there is inventory here. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.